Meet Mr. James Montana here in not the Twilight Zone. What we're doing is, how you doing out there? We're going to be doing the broadcast for the sports, and we're talking about the New England Patriots. And first of all, why are they even on the line? On the line, Tom Brady is looking good though. So good that I guess not McCaskill, but Castle comes in there like French Castle at blue cheese dressing. 2 for 3 looked better than any fucking quarterback that I saw for Oakland. What a disappointment. Ruined my parlay once again. Thank you very much, the Patriots. I had the Saints, I had Jacksonville, I had the Chargers to cover and the unders, and it was 46 and it ended at 45. And I had Buffalo out of the fucking loser bowl of your fucking city that sucks and doesn't do their fucking job and wants to dictate the rest of the shit for everyone else, and you don't do your job. And I'm just fucking so sick of it. I don't even see LA here on the football team. I guess we pissed you off. Well, neither one of your teams can even fucking hike the ball. 3-3 most of the game. Buffalo wins 13-3. Stats, let's go to the stats and bag on Pennington for his fucking, probably not as bad as Chertoff, but his performance fucking sucked. Anyway, we're on the wireless. I haven't gotten to fiber optics because right after I bought the new boxes, everyone wanted to buy my box, send it overseas, see what I'm logging into, and then bring me a new box and act like they're all a bunch of fucking cool people. Horrible. Anyway, we're going to be talking about our game, the Carolina game, in Indianapolis. I'm a huge Peyton Manning fan and Colts fan. 31-7, not even a contest. I think the Colts could possibly do the Miami Dolphins and go undefeated. But we're not going to talk about that right now. Server unfound. That is take 5. We're going to be doing our next take right now.